You can now say goodbye to some old, soggy and greasy potatoes as I show you how to make air fryer potatoes with golden and crispy results. Start off by scrubbing your potatoes tenderly under the tap. This process helps to remove sand, dust or debris from the surface of the spot. Once done, clean off excess water and transfer them to the cutting board. Cut your potatoes into bit-sized wedges. The smaller they are, the crispier they will get. After that, transfer them to a mixing bowl and season with some olive oil, Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, red chili flakes, onion powder, minced garlic, and salt. Toast everything together until each piece is nicely coated with those incredible flavors. Next, preheat your air fryer at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for a few minutes and transfer the seasoned potatoes into its basket. Make sure not to add too much at a time. You want all the sides to be exposed equally for an even browning. Now pop the basket into the air fryer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of cooking your potatoes, flip over to the other side and air fry for another 10 minutes until their edges become gorgeously caramelized and crunchy while maintaining soft fluffy center. Now your air fryer roasted potatoes are ready. They're so easy to make and it tastes really amazing. Just look at these perfectly crispy golden potatoes wedges. They taste incredibly yummy and I know you will love this. Thank you so much for watching this video. This was how to make air fryer roasted potatoes. If you liked the video, remember to give a thumbs up and share with your friends. If this is your first time stopping by at Onyx Food Hill, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.